car or two would go through here once a day, it might clean up some of this, but this is not a traveled road. I bet it takes 4 times as long to travel this part of Old 64 than it does to take regular 64. That's why they put regular 64 in. Back in the olden days, this is the road the tractor trailers had to travel between Franklin and Murphy. I couldn't imagine getting behind a tractor trailer on this road. It would be as bad as following a tractor trailer through the Deals Gap or leading a tractor trailer through the Deals Gap. So I've done that too. We're almost to that mountaintop that had the cloud on it, in case you guys are wondering. Oh, that's some gravel. And that's some garbage. It's just amazing. You get on some of these little back roads, how do you get a McDonald's bag back in here? There's not a McDonald's for 20 miles. But here we are back at 64. We're going to make a left. We're going to head to Murphy Road. If you like what you're seeing, please give me a thumbs up. Thank y'all.